Show them what I cooked. I cooked matoke with peanut sauce and some potatoes in it, and it's been cooking for so long. It's got its own oils, but ghee as well, because why not? Got some microwavable rice, as a good beach rice does. And we're about to eat. I wish I had avocado, but you know, my wishes are not England's top priority. Even though I should. Because I'm the training. I've been craving this. I'm craving this. Oh, I keep forgetting why I keep wanting to get a spoon. Like a bitch getting fed. How much rice do you want, my darling husband?
More than that.
Wow, greedy.
Fatty fat.
Oh, it's nice when it's fresh like this.
Yeah. That should be fine.
Yeah, bitch, I wasn't giving you any more. Are you one of those internet greedy? I can give you most, so we use it up.
No, I'm good. We can have a little mini portion for everyone.
For tomorrow to share. Ooh, you did not see that. The counters are freshly cleaned every time. Are they, yeah?
Yeah.
Just quiz. Actually, let's not eat too much. We want to eat KFC too, don't we?
Yeah. I make it.
She says that she adds more. I'm the champagne that came to fuck a couple of the brand women, that's all. Come look at look at this sexiness. I'll do you first, yeah?
Yeah.
It might break, but you know I'm doing it the Ugandan way. Ooh wee. Oh no. Oh no.
got
Oh
this.
fucking no, baby.
I believe in you.
Oh no. That's enough for you, yeah? You
Yeah,
just want
that's
more
good.
sauce.
Yeah, more sauce.
This is not the best
No,
sauce ladle, though. That's ghee, guys. It means you can eat all the oil. It's actually good for you. Babe, more sauce?
That is good, thank you.
More sauce, babe?
Yeah, that is good.
More
thank
sauce,
you.
baby.
I'm okay.
Baby, more sauce.
Thank you, Lemon.
Oh, why is everything so heavy?
No, I'm sorry.
I was gonna make a joke, but I was like, oh, that'll be far for big. And we stop ourselves. Oh, which bit should I take? I think the butter will be cooked perfect this time.
It seems like
it's
it.
a little bit hard. And now entirely mushed into the universe. Oh my god, I forgot that heat is still on, babe.
I will turn it low.
Like my emotions. I don't know if I got a potato. No!
You took it before I could film it.
I need food in my tummy! Oh my god. I'm eating with my hands, but it's hot with your hands.
Oh.
I am doing
How
this.
not Muganda of you.
I'm doing this new thing where I'm writing down a list of things I want to do during the day, and it's actually working out good. I've done everything so far, which is nice. Cooking this meal was part of the list. It's nice to plan something from yesterday and have it for it today.
That's very true.
Thank you, my people, for growing matoke. Where is that?
Where is that one?
You said you sent me. I'm eating with my hands because I'm scared of it being hot, but I guess it tempers you. Ah, it's hot. Chuck Norris. Ah, that's hot. It's been cooking for fucking hours. And it's hot.
Let me get you a drink.
Mm-hmm. Ah, Keeps almost burning the roof of my tongue.
Oh, yeah, take it slow.
That rice is great, baby. Did good.
Thank you.
Thank you, my love. It's gone.
Oh, let me get you some. That was nice.
I know. Baby, I know.
Your family cards to get this offer, but it takes 1 minute to sign up. Enjoy and follow for more gems.
Ninjokutera omushaija omubi bwari kubanze namulaba bwenti nendi mudduka nina omushaija omulungi bunyo. God is fake bunyoro. Oh, it's bunyoro actually, not bunyoro.
Sorry.
You can't go and take it to the restaurant, or you can't get someone to make it for you. You could make it in yourself. That's why today we're learning to make dal puri, one of my favorite things ever. And you know, dal puri is a thing that you could pair with any curry. You can eat it by itself with some nice mango sour loud pepper sauce and a nice fish cake, and we could. So let's make it. I always thought making dal puri was intimidating.
Oh, look, I forgot a little bit of salt.
And I
Yeah.
realized that it's not.
I usually like raw salt with it, a little bit of raw salt.
Yeah.
Because it's peanutty. Do you mind putting it a little bit of meal powder so I can sprinkle it?
Yeah, of course.
One circle, one big circle.
Nylon, nylon, nylon. I got these bitches down. That'll be good too. That's right. Thank you. I don't think you'd like too much though.
Yeah.
I just miss the salt. In Uganda, they would not give you no breakfast, and they'll tell you to eat last night's posho with salt,
Oh, that's a bit rough.
with just salt, no sauce, no nothing.
Oh, dude. That's dryness with dryness. Can I have some of your drink? That's okay. Sorry.
With tea, but the tea has 1 spoonful of sugar in it,
Oh, so dryness and bitterness combined.
and I refuse to do it unless sometimes I was desperate, so that's the reason I don't eat breakfast.
Holy shit.
No, being with my mom and dad was rough, girl.
I know.
But when I was with my mom, breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, we actually ate like 5 meals a day. Snacks.
It's especially drying when you like have that for a little bit and then you don't have that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that is hot.
Oh yeah. Shit.
Honestly, it's like relativity.
Jesus Christ, you mean? I was gonna sing Ophelia, but then go with Pip. I think it needs more tangulate. Like a bitch trying to triangulate. Why are you recording me? I feel observed. Like a bitch in an observatory. Good. Babe, but do you understand what I'm saying?
I do. It's weird how it all comes back to sort of entropy and like it all kind of centralizes into one singular thing.
In order to have fast speed, you actually kind of have to start to move slower than everyone else.
Exactly.
And then you observe it to be faster than you.
Yeah.
But then that's when you're fast. But for them to observe you to be fast, what does that mean? Karamoja. Nankulabye! You left your phone, Nankulabye. Also, why didn't you put that food away in the thing? I don't want it there. No, we're not going. Put it away.
I am putting it away. I was bringing your wine up.
Oh, wine up, oh, wine up, oh, wine up. Say, oh yeah. It's a song, that one. Finn, you stomped it like lackluster. You're supposed to stomp it out like you want it out.
I did, all the way up the stairs. I promise. Maybe just needs time.
He promised. She's a big boy. Oh my god, fuck.
What did you do?
My legs gave up on the stairs.
I thought so. I'll be right there.
It's because I'm straight.
We both know that's a lie.
No, Finley, it's a truth. Oh no, I just noticed a bunch of hairs and dust all over in cracks of the stairs. Who knew you have to clean in between the cracks of fucking stairs? Jesus. Yesu Kristo mu Nazareth. Kubeno dusting nyingi. Banange Finley. Eglair.
Huh?
I'm saying apparently you have to clean in between the gaps of the stair bubbles.
Apparently. And everywhere else.
You know, I'm waiting for you to help me get up the stairs. I do not wish to be here.
I'm trying to address the things you asked me to address in the kitchen.
Finley, you can genuinely pause that and help me get upstairs. I do not have to be stuck as the other alternative.
I apologize. Let us go.
Rudolph.
The reigning deer.
And the other one rhymes with Shitler.
Which one?
Help me up, Rudolph Shitler.